ISRO's 5 upcoming missions set to cement India's position as a space power. Here are the 5 space missions ISRO is planning to launch in the coming years. Aditya L1. India is planning to send its spacecraft to study the Sun. ISRO's Aditya L1 spacecraft will be placed in the halo orbit around Lagrange point 1 of the Sun-Earth system. The L1 point is around 1.5 million kilometers away from the Sun. The major advantage of placing the spacecraft at the L1 point is that it allows it to view the Sun continuously without any occultations, eclipses. Hence, we can observe solar activities in space weather in real time. ISRO will launch its Aditya L1 spacecraft in early September this year. X-ray Polarimeter Satellite, XPoSat. X-ray Polarimeter Satellite or XPoSat is a planned mission by ISRO to study the dynamics of bright astronomical X-ray sources in extreme conditions. The satellite will study the 50 brightest known sources in the universe such as pulsars, active galactic nuclei, black hole X-ray binaries, and non-thermal supernova remnants. According to the ISRO website, space-based observatories share immense information about the spectroscopic and timing, but the exact nature of the emission from such sources still poses deeper challenges to astronomers. NISAR. The joint project of NASA and ISRO to develop and launch a dual-frequency synthetic aperture radar satellite called NASA-ISRO Synthetic Aperture Radar, NISAR. This satellite will be used for remote sensing, and this will be the first dual-brand radar imaging satellite. The NISAR satellite is expected to launch in January 2024. Gaganyaan 1 and Gaganyaan 2. Gaganyaan, which is an Indian crewed orbital spacecraft, is intended to be the basis of the Indian Human Spaceflight program. ISRO developed Gaganyaan to carry 3 people, and the upgraded version will be equipped with the capability of rendezvous and docking. ISRO will conduct 2 flight tests before launching its first ever crewed mission with Gaganyaan 3. Gaganyaan 1 and Gaganyaan 2 are expected to launch by the end of this year and in the mid of next year, respectively. Shukrayaan 1. Another major development by ISRO is Shukrayaan, which is India's Venus orbiter mission, and the mission aims to understand the atmosphere of Venus. The area of interest for the mission includes stratigraphy and resurfacing processes of surface, subsurface and resurfacing processes. Then it will study atmospheric chemistry and the study of solar irradiance and solar wind interaction with the ionosphere of Venus. These are ISRO's 5 upcoming missions that will strengthen India's position in the field of space.